One students. This is Teacher Harriet and welcome to our online class. So our subject for today is mathematics. So you will be needing your book targeting mathematics 1A. Okay? So let's start with our topic for today is addition up to 10 part 1. Okay? So addition up to 10 part 1. So we will be having part 1, part 2, and part 3. So I hope with this lesson you will learn how to add numbers. Okay? So let's start by reading our vocabulary for today. Number 1, add. Add. Number 2, addition. 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 Number 3, all together. All together. All together. Number 4, how many? How many? How many? Number 5, some. Some. Number 6, total. 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 Okay, so these are your vocabularies for today. I wrote here some Pasatay words. I hope this could help you understand our vocabulary for today. Okay, so let's start with our lesson addition up to 10. Okay, so what is addition? So addition, this one, addition, addition. So addition meaning combining two or more numbers or items together. Okay, so combining two or more numbers or items together. Meaning if you're going to put a number with another number and then you're going to put them together, that means you're adding already. Okay, so if you're going to add some items or things or object together and then you're going to count them together, you put them together, or you're going to combine them together, meaning you're adding already. Okay, so that's what addition means. Okay, so let's move on. Let's take a look at this example, okay? We are adding by counting all, okay? So, adding by counting all meaning you're going to put together the items or the number all together and then you are going to count, okay? So, let's read this one. How many oranges are there all together? All together, meaning you're going to combine these two oranges and these two oranges together, and then you're going to put them together and count. Okay, so if you mix them together, then you're going to count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so there are 4 oranges all together. So 2 and 2 make 4. Okay, so 2 and 2 make 4. For example, in your fingers, you put your fingers together like put up 2 fingers and 2 fingers on your left and 2 fingers on your left. And then you're going to put them together. Put them together and then just add, just count them together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you will be having 4 fingers if you put them together. Okay? Next, another example we have here. We add by counting on. How many pairs are there all together? Let's add by counting on. Okay, counting on meaning you have already the number. Okay, so you have already the number and then you're just going to add the number that you want to combine. Okay, for example, here we have here 3 pairs. We already know that these are 3 pairs, so we already wrote there 3. So now we're just going to continue counting by 3, 4, and 5. We're just going to combine this one by counting on. Okay? So there are 5 pairs all together. So 3 and 2 make 5. Kazemai? Okay, so you're just going to assume that this is 3, and then you're just going to continue counting 3, 4, and 5. Okay? Next, let's go to your book, page 40 to 44. Okay, your book, Mathematics Targeting 1A. So we have three different types on how to add numbers. Okay, so the first one, let's count. Okay, so you're just going to combine these dots to this dot. Okay, so you're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kazema, you're just going to continuously counting. Okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You just combine them together. You just count them by just looking at the picture. Okay? So, how about letter B? Let's count on. Count on meaning you already, a number is already given. Okay? This one. 6 is already given, and then you're just going to add these dots. So you're going to say 6, 7, 8. So you're going to write here continuously counting 6 by starting to say the word 6, and then you're going to continue 6, 7, 8. Okay? For example, in your fingers. Okay? Put your fingers, put 5 fingers up. That's already 5, and then just going to continue counting two more. Okay, for example, just put up 3 and then just 5. Say 5 on your other hand and then 5 and then continue counting 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Kazemai? Next, letter C. Okay, let's use number bonds. Okay, so we have here the trick or another type of adding numbers, number bonds. That's the one we have discussed last time, right? Grade 1. So this one, we're going to combine these dots to these dots. Okay, so we're going to continue. We're going to combine the two pictures together. For example, we're going to combine these dots to these dots. Okay, so we're going to draw there 8 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So meaning you've already put this one here. And you put this number here. So how do we write it in number bonds? Okay, in number already. It's not a picture already. So this one, you're just going to count the dots and write it here. And then the next box, 1 and 2, you're going to write it here. And you're going to count this one here, and then you're going to write it there. That will already be 8. Okay? Okay, so is it easier to add numbers with number bonds? Yes. Okay. Is it easier to count from 6? You're going to start counting by 6. Yes. Okay. So next, we have here an short quiz, page 40. We are going to draw pictures, fill in the numbers. So meaning we're going to draw here a ball. One ball in each box. So let's draw. Ta-nan! Ta-nan! Okay, so already draw two balls. Okay, so here we are going to count 1 and 2. So 1, 2. You're going to write number 2 in the box. 2. And then we're going to continue counting. 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to continue counting again. Do not count it as 1, 2, 3 again. No. Okay? So, how do we write it in number bonds? Just continue counting. How do we write in in number bonds. This one, you are going to write this one here. You're going to write there 2. And this one, we are going to write this one in this part. And this number, the final number or the last number, we're going to write it here. Okay, so 2 and 3 make 5. So if you add 2 and 3, you will get 5. Kauzemai? Next one. Page 41. Page 41. 4 and 1. How many objects are there? Add by counting all. Okay, how many objects are there? Add by counting all. So meaning you're going to put them together. Okay, so we already combined them here. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to write this 1, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we all have 6 cupcakes all together. Okay? Next, page 41. How many objects are there? Add by counting on. Meaning we're going to count first the one in the box. Okay, so 1, we have here 1 monkey, 2, 3, and 4 monkeys. So you're going to write here 4. And then we're going to continue counting. 4, 5, 6, 7. So we already have 7 monkeys. Kazaimai, you're just going to continue. Do not write 1, 2, 3 again. No. No, you're going to continue by 4, 5, 6, and 7. Kazaimai, grade 1. Next one is this picture. So you're going to count first the hot air balloon. This one is a hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. You're going to count first the hot air balloon and then you're going to write it in this box. Say, okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's already 5. So you're going to write 5 in the box and then continue counting. Are we going to continue 5? 1, 2, 3? No, that's not correct. So we are just going to continue counting by 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So this is your page 41. I hope you're following grade 1. Next, number 3. How many objects are there? Complete the number bond to find the total. So meaning we're going to use number bonds in this part, okay? So we are already in page 42. Please follow along. Thank you. Okay, so we're going to count first the candy. I think this is a candy. So we're going to count 1, 2. Okay, so we're going to write there 2 blue candies. And we have here 1, 2, 3 green candies here. And then we're going to put them together. We are going to continue counting. We are going to count them all together. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 candies all together. So how do we write it in number bonds? We're going to get this number, the total, and then we're going to write it here. Okay, so there you go. Next one. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to write 4 here. And there's only one cup of water here. So we're going to write there 1. So we're going to count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 water in a cup. So how do we write it in number ones? This one, you write this one here. We wrote this one here. And we're going to write 5 in this part, the total. Okay? Next, we have here lollipops. We have here 1, 2, 3 purple lollipops. And then we have here 1, 2, 3 red lollipops. So if we count them together, put them together, we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there will be 6 lollipops all together. So how do we write it in number bonds? We're going to get this number, write it here, and the total will be here. Okay, so the answer is 6. Okay, I'm sorry, this will be 6. Let me check first. Okay, let me change this number. This should be 6. Okay, there you go. Okay, I did not see this one. So this one, 3 here. 3 lollipops here. 3 lollipops here. So we're going to count them together. We will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6. So we will write this one here. We will write this one here. Okay? Did you get it? I hope you're following, naka. Let's go to 4. How? Page 43. Let's go to page 43. Activity 4. How many objects are there? Add by counting on. Add with number bonds. Okay, so we're going to use number bonds and counting on. Counting on meaning we're going to count first the box, write the number below, and then we're going to continue counting. And what is number bonds? We're just going to transfer the number to your number bonds. Okay, so let's start by counting the one in the box. We will get there 1, 2, 3. So you're going to write there 3 and then continue counting 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how do we write this one again? This one, we will write this one here. And then we're going to count this one. There are 2, Chamay, and then you're going to write 2 here. 3 and 2 make 5. Okay? Hazemai? 1, 2. You're going to write it here. My child, this one na, not this one na ka. Okay? Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write there 5. And then we're going to continue counting. 5, 6, 7. So you're going to get this one. 1, 2. You write it here. And then 5. You write this one here. And then you're going to get the total. Write it here. So let's see. 5 and 2 make 7. Next, banana. Bananas, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we're going to write 6 below bananas. And then we're going to continue counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So how many bananas that we have count on? There are 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to write here 4. And then write 6 here. And then write 10 here. Okay, 6, 4, and 10. 6 and 4 make 10. Okay, Kaujamai? Next, page 44, activity 5. Draw pictures to show the numbers. So we're going to draw first a box, and then we're going to draw any alay kaday picture na ka. Okay, so we draw there four flowers. Four flowers, 1, 2, 3, 4, which represents here. And then we're going to continue counting and we're going to draw three flowers because there are 1, 2, 3 box there. Okay, so we're going to draw here three flowers, and then we're going to continue count on 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, letter B. How about number buns? Okay, so first you're going to draw a circle or three circles of color red ball, and then we're going to draw blue five blue balls, and then we're going to count them together, put them together. Okay, so these are the three balls, and we have here five blue balls. Here you're going to write it here, and then you're going to write it there. So if you put them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you will get 8 balls here. Okay, all together. Next. How to read in addition. How to read in addition. So first, we're going to learn first your numbers. So I hope you know your numbers from 1 to 10. And then, this symbol, you read this as plus. Plus. This symbol, we're going to read this as equals or equal to. Equals or equal to. Ni alay kada, you can use any of these words. Equals or equal to. This one naka, do not forget, equal. This one plus your numbers. You need to memorize your numbers, okay? So 1, that's 1, right? What's that? Plus 2 equal to or equals 3. So you read this one. 1 plus 2 equals 3. Or 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Kazemai? So meaning, if you this one and this one is same as this number. Okay? Kazemai? So if you add 2 and 1 is equal to 3. More example. Oh, how do we read this one? 4. Okay, so we read this one. 4 plus 1 equals to 5 or equal to 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Next, how to write in addition form. How to write in addition form. So how do we write in addition form? First, we have here an example. We have here cuts. We have 2 cuts in the basket, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the ground. Okay, so if we have here 6 and 2, put them together, how many is that? You'll get 8. So how do we do that one? And also means plus. So if someone says 2 and 2, meaning that's already plus. Okay, so make means equals. Make also means equals. Okay, so if you read this one already, we will get there. Or we can write it like this. 2 plus 6 equals to 8. Okay, this one. And plus make equal. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Kazemai? I hope you're following. Next, another example. horizontal format. So how do we write this in addition form? Horizontal format. Okay, so first you need to write 2 and then plus and then 6 make 8. So you can also read this one as 2 and 6 make 8 or 2 plus 6 equals 8. Kazemai? How about vertical format? I'm sorry, vertical format. Vertical format. Vertical meaning up. Horizontal meaning you are lying down or in a flat way. Vertical in a stand way. So let's write 2 here plus here 6 here equal and 8 here. Okay, so what's the meaning of this one? Okay, they have names. Okay, they have names. 2 means adjent, 6 means addend, 8 means sum. Okay, so adjent, the number that you're going to add, and addend is the number that you're going to add to adjent. This one. Okay, and the sum meaning it's the total. Total, okay? So 2 means adjent in vertical format na ka, okay? 2 adjent, 6 addend, 8 is the sum. So also same here, this is the adjent, the first number that you're going to add to addend. This one is the addend, and the total or the sum is the number 8. Okay? So let's try some example. 1 plus 3 equals 4. How do we write that one in vertical form? First, you're going to write the 1 or the adjent plus 3 equals 4. So what's number 1 again? That's your adjent. 3 is your addend. And 4 is your sum. Okay? How about this example? 2 plus 3 equals to 5. How do you write in vertical form? First is number 2, the adjent. And then 3, plus, and then 3, the addend, and equals to or equals 5. Okay, this one here, the addend here below number 2, and the sum. Okay, so that's how you write your vertical form and horizontal form. Okay, next one. 5 plus 1 equals to 6. So we write it in vertical form. The adjent first plus the addend equals to 6. Another example, we have here 4 vertical form, a horizontal form. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So how about in vertical way? We need to write first the adjent, the 5, plus addend 3 equals or equal to 7. So this is how we write in horizontal form and vertical form. Kazaimai? Okay. So that is for our part 1, adding numbers from 1 to 10. I hope this helps you how to add numbers. Okay, so see you again next time, grade 1. Please stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.